What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A very quick update on what's going on in the market and a discussion on why I am very bullish on altcoins at this point. So let's dive straight into it. First of all, I would like to do a quick update here on Bitcoin and what I am looking for. Pretty simple. So first of all, let's identify what happened here. Okay, so the first pullback we had was roughly around here. Okay, this was the biggest pullback that we had, and it lasted for a few weeks actually before getting our push back up, fueled by Elon Musk. So this right here, this resistance right here, is actually a very key level for now on Bitcoin, and I will explain why. So Bitcoin right now, I am not interested in longing Bitcoin. Of course it will go higher, but at this point I am very happy to be long on altcoins, and I will explain why. So first of all, let's plot a channel right here. Just a second, I will change the colors. So this is our channel right here. Pretty good channel. Okay, so what I want to highlight here is one very important thing. So usually Bitcoin trades in a channel, okay, or in a range, and also at the same time it respects vertical or horizontal levels. So let's see what do we have here. Let's plot a Fibonacci from the low, okay, to the highs right here, this high right here. Let's take out this let's get rid of that channel, and let's see what do we have here. So first of all, we're getting some kind of a reaction here of the 0382. However, this is not a very good reaction in my opinion. I am very interested in a pullback back down to around here, but not right now. Right now I think Bitcoin might put in a range, okay, before giving us that push lower and then continuing higher. Okay, so Bitcoin puts in a range. We see this range for a longer period of time, just like we had here, maybe a bounce, range, and then we get our push down. This would be the same thing right here. A bounce, a range, another impulse back down, retest this resistance, this broken resistance, now support, because we did see a break on a very bullish daily candle, okay, and we did see some uptrend, and then I'm looking for that push down or push lower, retest this very confluent, this region with a lot of confluence. So resistance, now support, and also the 0618 Fibonacci or golden pocket. We get back down, retest, and continue higher. So this is on Bitcoin. Okay, now let's take a look at altcoins. First, let's go to Bitcoin dominance. What do we have here on the Bitcoin dominance? We have a very messy chart, but not really difficult to understand what's going on here. So impulse, this was a very important region of, where we did see a rejection, another push higher to the same region where I entered the majority of my altcoin longs spot, and we did see another push down. So what's going on here? Let's zoom into some lower time frames, and we can see we're barely holding right now. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, bounce, but it's getting rejected over and over again. simply cannot maintain above, it cannot maintain a very strong uptrend, which tells me that at one point we're going to see this one break, and just go lower and lower and lower, hopefully. So let's open up the daily time frame just for a second and look how much room we do have, left. And I mean, we do have a lot of room to fall, on the Bitcoin dominance, and I think we will fall on the Bitcoin dominance. So this could really go much lower, break this region right here, and to be honest, we could see around $50 or $45. Let me show you why. So I don't know if it's really respected, but let's try. Yeah, I think it's good. So here we did see a bounce of the 0382. If we break this one, looking for a breakdown to around this golden pocket, which means that Bitcoin dominance will lose roughly 20% of its value. So imagine billions, tens of billions of dollars pouring into altcoins, which is pretty nice to see. So Bitcoin dominance looking bearish, looking for lower dominance. Okay, I am looking for a drop in the Bitcoin dominance. So with Bitcoin dominance out of this way, let's take a look at altcoins. What are altcoins doing at this point? So how did we get, what type of reaction did we get on altcoins? So this is Ethereum. First of all, we have Cardano, which is, this is just an absolute monster. All that drop that happened, it didn't really affect Cardano at all. We did see, this one holding very, very, very well, just like a champion. Okay, Ethereum did take a hit, but let me show you something very important. Ethereum BTC. This is why I am bullish on altcoins. When you say altcoins, Ethereum should be looking bullish. And let's look. So here we have, an inverse head and shoulders, which looks pretty solid. And then if we zoom out to around here, we did see a fake out. Many entered Ethereum. We did see a fake out, breakout, but then break down. But right now we are at a very, very key level, which is this golden pocket, and looks like it's holding. So Ethereum, I am personally, if you want to day trade, I would day trade Ethereum at this point, because from here I think this can easily rotate back up. And yeah, a rotation back up is, imagine Ethereum gaining 50% against BTC at least. Okay, so this is still very, very early right here if you want to long. Also, this is where we did see the impulse start, and basically if I plot a Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, we did see retest 1, retest number 2 of this golden pocket. Also confluence with retesting the previous all-time highs. All-time high, breakdown, breakout, retest, continue higher. Looking very perfect on Ethereum right now. All other altcoins, I think we did see a pretty bullish reaction today. After this drop, this reaction right here is looking very nice, in my opinion. Also Litecoin, so Litecoin on the weekly. No, let's go to Litecoin on the daily. Yes, this is very, very important actually. So remember this level that I had at 177. Okay, we did see a reaction here initially, but then after breaking it out, retesting and maintaining above that level, just like here, we did see an impulse up. But now that we're getting back down here, we did see a lot of fake outs down, trying to stop people out of their longs, because many have been holding their longs from around here, leveraged longs, by the way. So this daily right here, if it closes like this is, in my opinion, pretty bullish, because it is holding perfectly above this level, no daily close above it. This would be this would look fantastic for another impulse back up to around $300, which is an easy 70% increase in price. Also Litecoin BTC is simply going lower and lower and lower and lower and lower, but eventually at one point this might break out. Okay, so you have to be careful. Eventually at some point this will break higher from where it is right now. Target number 1, target number 2. Okay, plotting it from around here, from this impulse all the way down. But overall, some altcoins are looking very interesting and very solid. So XTZ, for example, what a nice reaction here we got on XTZ. Okay, so a pretty nice reaction here on XTZ, showing some signs of strength currently on altcoins, which I love it. What other coins do we have? RSR, for example. Okay, this is a very nice reaction. Bell, not so big of a reaction. Koti, okay, wow, this is holding very well. Dia, Dia saw a very nice reaction. We did see a push down, but it got bought back up, at the same rate. Okay, we did see it drop fast, but it got also back up at the same speed. So yeah, things are looking good for altcoins at this point. As I said, I am anticipating this Bitcoin dominance to continue to drop. Should we see this one drop, I think altcoins are absolutely going to explode. So yeah, trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. What I say here is what I am doing. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you continue your day very well. Have an amazing day. Cheers. See you in the next one. Bye bye.